So in this video I am going to explain about initial and final value theorem of Z transform. So first we have to see initial value theorem. So the initial value of x of n, that is x of 0, which is given as, so the statement for initial value theorem is x of 0. Here x of 0 is nothing but 0 is the initial value. So which is equal to limit z tends to infinity x of z. So we have to prove how to get this statement. Now first of all, take the Z transform equation. So we already know x of z is equal to summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n z power minus 1. So here x of n is the one-sided signal. So we know the limits. For example, here there is an axis, here is the 0 and here is minus infinity, here is infinity. So if it is a single-sided means, so this is a double-sided signal. So that is the limits of double-sided signal is minus infinity to infinity. If it is single-sided means, so this is a right side signal and this is left side signal. So the left side signal limits are from minus infinity to 0 and the right side signal limits are 0 to infinity. So if there is x of n is a single-sided means you have to take the limits from 0 to infinity. So from here n is equal to minus infinity to infinity. If it is a single-sided signal, then you have to change the limits for n is equal to 0 to infinity x of n z power minus 1. So you have to expand this equation for n is equal to 0 to infinity. Now substitute first 0 value x of 0 plus x of z power 0 value is 1 and x plus x of 1 z power minus 1 plus x of 2 z power minus 2 and so on. Now x of 0 plus, so z power minus 1 you have to write it as x of 1 divided by z plus x of 2 divided by z square and so on. So in taking limits z tends to infinity on both sides we get, so that is limit z tends to infinity x of z is equal to limit z tends to infinity x of 0 plus x of 1 divided by z plus x of 2 divided by z square and so on. Now limit z tends to infinity x of z. Now substitute z value here infinity. So anything by 0 which is nothing but 0. Here these two values are 0. Here we can get only x of 0. Now x of 0 is equal to limit z tends to infinity x of z. So this is the statement for initial value theorem. Now we have to see final value theorem in the next video. Thank you.